In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly Premium, 5 minutes. Let's get you set up and comfortable so you can write faster, clearer, and with confidence. Start by heading to grammarly.com and signing into your account. Whether you're using the web editor, desktop app, or a browser extension, being logged in ensures premium features are available everywhere you write. Open the Grammarly editor by clicking New Doc, or just start typing in any text field where the extension is active. You'll see Grammarly working in real time, highlighting issues and offering suggestions as you go. For content creation and brainstorming, click the chat icon to open the AI chat. This panel lets you ideate, outline, or draft without leaving your document, and it can pull context from your writing to stay on topic. Type detailed prompts to generate text, outlines, or ideas. The more specific you are about length, purpose, and key points, the better the results. Think of it as giving clear instructions to a helpful writing partner. Before you generate content, set the voice, tone, intent, and profession to tailor the output. For example, you can choose a confident voice, a friendly tone, an informative intent, and a role that matches your field. This nudges the AI to produce writing that fits your audience and goals. When you're happy with what the AI produces, click Insert to add the generated text into your document. You can keep iterating in chat, then insert again, or edit the text directly with Grammarly's suggestions on. For a thorough polish, open the proofreader by clicking the bars icon. You'll get a categorized analysis covering things like correctness, clarity, engagement, and delivery. Review each suggestion, accept the helpful ones, and dismiss anything that doesn't fit your style. Use the humanizer to select different voices or create a custom voice that matches your brand or personal style. This is great for making formal drafts sound more natural or aligning multiple documents to a consistent voice. If a sentence feels clunky, the paraphraser can rephrase it in a formal, casual, or concise style while keeping the original meaning. This helps with variety, readability, and tightening your message. To anticipate how your writing lands, try reader reactions. Choose a target audience like potential customers, and see predicted feedback so you can adjust tone, clarity, and emphasis. Finally, explore expert review for AI-powered feedback from different expert profiles. You'll get targeted insights that help you refine your work from multiple professional angles. That's how to use Grammarly Premium to plan, draft, and polish with confidence. Happy writing!